Today, companies are looking for more than degrees. They want someone who is ready, who understands AI, who understands jobs of tomorrow. They want someone who's ready on day one. That's why our programs are ready for the future. Each one of our programs is built and made keeping in mind the jobs of tomorrow. So, if you are ready to move beyond traditional learning and be future ready, it's a very simple process. Go to our website, fill a form and take Sunstone Admission Test, which is known as SAT. Once you qualify for that, then there is a automatic screening round. Once you qualify, then our admission counselors will help you and guide you to take a right course from a right college. Once you made that choice, you'll get an admission offer letter. Accept it and you are through to be the leaders of tomorrow. I know choosing a career is a very big decision, and more importantly, it is very confusing. So that is why our talented and educated team of career counselors are there to help you take a right career choice. Please call them, take right career advice and be career ready.